Hey Antonio, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this when we contacted your company. I hope you're the one watching this video, and thank you again to the company for giving us the green light to send this video to you. I'm here to audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients all on your own. Also, in this video, it'll give you a better understanding as to why your competitors are being found instead of you. In this video, I'll be going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The three categories are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here, Antonio. It's a great website. The navigation is fairly simple. All the links seems to be working just fine. I see you have great photos, a beautiful layout, of course. This is a great website. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content in your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. If you're 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are words or phrases that people enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, landscaping. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, you want to increase to 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. So now for the backlinks and citations. For this, let's jump into arrows here real quick. This is a paid tool, of course. This is a great tool to have if you want to monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. Look like you have one backlink, one referring domain, 41 keywords, one person jumping onto your website on a monthly basis, organically. So that's not a lot, but I'll elaborate a little bit more on this. The UR meter 7, the DR 0. Typically, you want to have the DR and the UR meter here at a 1-to-1 ratio. It's just good practice. It'll give you an extra boost and will give you also preference inside of Google. The UR and DR rating is the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase the two ratings is through backlinks and citations. So let's start off with backlinks. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another, right? Well, a backlink is just that. It's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware though that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with the industry or services that you offer, that's just gonna hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. And again, the backlinks are your UR level here. But currently you have one, so you're not getting any traffic or power onto your website, unfortunately. For the citation, a citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services, that's pretty much what a citation is. I'm sure you're familiar with Yelp, Angie's, and Yellow Pages. It's kind of like that. So jumping onto your competitors here, it looks like these guys are getting all the attention. Little John's Lawns. So you can see they have a bigger website. They do have more content than your website when comparing it. I noticed the images are also optimized, which is important when it comes to SEO. So overall, a great website also. What they have going behind the scenes, though, is really what matters, what counts. They currently have over 300 backlinks, referring domains 56, keywords over 2,000. This is very important. I'll go over a little bit more on this. The traffic, they have over 1,000. And organically, of course. So let me just explain this a little bit. They do have over 1,000 people jumping onto their website organically. However, they do have other locations. So this is not just only for Gilbert, Arizona. This is a good keyword here. That's not the only, how should I say, the only location they offer. So overall, with the whatever quantities they have onto their website here, as far as location wise, they're getting over 1,000 people jumping onto their website. That's just pretty much what I'm trying to explain. It's not only for one location. So yeah, this is what they have going behind the scenes. They are not at a 1-to-1 ratio, but it's close. This is not a high power, so they only have 5 on the UR, the DR 4.7. The last and most important thing I want to go over, the keywords. So this is the list of keywords that your competitor has. Landscape in Gilbert, Arizona, a little bit over 250 or approximate 250 people are searching for this keyword inside of Google. Also for this one here, Landscapers Gilbert, Arizona, approximately 200 people search volume on a monthly basis. So just imagine these two keywords you'll have on your website, of course, optimizing, of course, adding relevant backlinks and citations. This will bring you more leads, of course. Being in the #1 page of Google is going to boost up your sales, and who doesn't want that, right? So in other words, over 500 people are searching every month for the services that you offer. Imagine those 500 people are finding you instead. This is the whole point of SEO, is to boost up to give power to your website and boost you up in the rankings. If you are to follow this, I'm sure you can increase your rankings and bring in more calls, although it is a lot of work. There's a lot of a technical aspect that you would have to know. But yeah, this is what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts, or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. This way, I won't be sending you any annoying follow-up emails. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to even further discuss if you like. Thank you for your time. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.